Hello students, today we are going to learn the new topic. We are going to start new unit, and our it's a favorite poem. We can say that the rhythm is very good. I will tell you, I will say you the rhythm of this poem after completing the poem. So let us deal with directly with the poem. आपण डायरेक्ट त्या पोएम समजूया. First of all, I read this poem. Minnie and Winnie slept in a shell, sleep little ladies, and they slept well. So here rhyming words are perfectly written here, perfectly taken, so that it is very easy to give the rhythm to this poem. Okay. Pink was the shell. I am reading second stanza. Pink was the shell within, silver without, sound of the great sea wandered about. If you may not see this poem which is shown on our screen, so you can read by taking your textbook, okay? So that I am telling you the number of stanzas. Now stanza number 3. Sleep little ladies, wake not soon, echo on echo dies to the moon. Okay. Now fourth stanza I am going to. Two bright stars peeped into the shell, what are they dreaming of, who can tell? So this is the fourth stanza. Okay, and last stanza is started a green linnet out of the croft, wake little ladies, the sun is aloft. Okay, so here rhyming words we will discuss later on about the rhyming words. First of all, try to get the meaning of this poem. So first, Minnie and Winnie. Minnie, it is the name of one girl. Winnie also another name of girl. Two girls are there. Okay. Minnie and Winnie slept in a shell. So past tense has been used here. Slept, the past tense of sleep. झोपणे ला past tense slept आला की झोपले. Okay. लालीले past tense. So Minnie and Winnie slept in a shell. झोपलेले. Sleep little ladies, and they slept well. And sleep little ladies, they completely slept. Okay, slept ते पूर्णपणे झोपले होते, and they slept very well, means they slept in good condition. Okay, so there was no any disturbance. Okay, nobody was there to tease them. Nobody was there to awaken them. Okay, so they were completely in the sleep condition. They were completely slept. So Minnie and Winnie slept in a shell, sleep little ladies, and they slept well. They were sleeping they were in the sound sleep, we can say. Sound sleep, they were in the sound sleep. Second stanza. Pink was the shell within, in which or where they had slept. कोठे झोपले होते थे. Where they were sleeping in a shell. Shell, sea shell. समुद्रात जाताना ते शंख शिंपले भेटतात ना, स्पेशली शिंपले. ओके, त्यांना आपण shell म्हणूया. The sea shell, they are called sea shell, but here shell has been given. Shell has been taken only. Pink was the shell within, silver without. Here without means not apart from. Without means here outer side. Okay, they were sleeping, or they slept in the shell, and inside the cover of shell was pink, and outer side covering was in silver color. Outer side cover is silver and inner side cover is pink. लक्षात येते? There was pink color in inner side and silver color on outer side. बाहेरून त्याला सिल्वर कव्हर होतं आणि आतून त्याला पिंक कव्हर होतं. सो पिंक कलर इट शोज स्पेशली लेडीज लाईक पिंक कलर. दॅट्स वाय बघा तुम्ही लहान तुम्ही पिंक कुठलेही मुलगे असतील पिंक कुणी आणले तर घेत नाही, मुलं चिडवतात हे मुलींचा कलर वगैरे आहे. सो हिअर बट स्पेशली पिंक कलर इंडिकेट्स female. Okay, so pink was the shell within, silver without. Outer side was colored with pink, or it has that shell has silver color from outer side. Sound of the great sea wandered about, and here sound of the great sea wandered about. Wandered means what? Wandering means here moving here and there without any purpose. Now in this way they were sleeping in the shell. Okay, Minnie and Winnie were sleeping in the shell and they were just wandering, moving here and there. जसं तुम्ही वर्गात इकडे तिकडे शिक्षक नसतील वर्गात 5 मिनिटं तास संपला आणि दुसरे शिक्षक यायला झाले की आपण कसं करतो, इथून तिकडच्या बेंचवर जातो विदाउट एनी पर्पज. So we go there here and there without any purpose. We roam here, roaming माहितीये, इकडे तिकडे फिरणे विदाउट एनी पर्पज. सो वॅन्डरिंग म्हणजे एखादा गरज नसलेली म्हणजे काहीही कारण नसताना इकडे तिकडे फिरणे. वॅन्डर्ड अबाउट मीन्स दे वर जस्ट वॅन्डरिंग around, wandering in the sea. Sound of the great sea. They were sleeping in the shell. Shells are found in the sea. It means that they were sleeping in the shell and that shell was present in the sea. Okay, and they were moving with that shell without any purpose. ते इकडे तिकडे फिरत होते. Sleep little ladies. Little means small. Sleep little ladies because seashell size is very small. In this way, the Minnie and those girls, Minnie and Winnie, are small. So little, sleep little ladies, wake not soon, echo on echo dies to the moon. इथे अर्थ समजून घ्या व्यवस्थित. Sleep little ladies, wake not soon. You are not, it is not necessary to wake up. Okay, so sleep. Now what? You are near to the moon. It means that what? You are near to the moon. Now you are on the seashore. Now that shell is moving inside the sea. Okay, inside the sea. तो आता हळूहळू काय करतोय, हळूहळू तो समुद्राच्या आत जातोय. Echo and echo, again and again. Echo and echo means what? Again and again. Echo on echo. Okay, again dies to the moon. Now you are means don't wake up. Okay, now you are moving inside the sea. Dies to the moon means what here? Dies to the means it doesn't mean that moon is going to be die. Okay, मरत नाहीये मून, तर ते मून पासनं लांब जात आहेत. They are moving away from they are moving far away from the moon. पहिल्यांदा ते मूनच्या जवळ होते, आता ते मूनच्या जवळ लांब जात आहेत. याचा अर्थ मूनच्या जवळ होते म्हणजे तिथे किलबिलाट, माणसांचं बोलणं, गाड्यांचे आवाज याच्यापासून ते. सो हिअर द पोएट रिक्वेस्ट्स टू Minnie and Winnie, don't wake up. Echo and echo again and again dies to the moon. Now you are moving away from the moon. तुम्ही आता हळूहळू त्या चंद्रापासून जवळ लांब जाताय. मीन्स व्हॉट? Again and again you are going away, far away from the moon, and there you can get comfort for sleeping. तुम्ही आता जास्तीत जास्त आत जाताय किंवा चंद्रापासून तुम्ही लांब जाताय आणि तुम्ही आता उठू नका. दॅट इज इट इज नॉट नेसेसरी टू वेक अप. सो स्लीप लिटल लेडीज, नाउ स्लीप, डोंट वेक अप. वेक नॉट सून, तुम्ही उठू नका लवकर. Echo or echo again and again dies to the moon means you are moving away from the moon, means you are going far away. Asa. Now in the next stanza, two bright stars, gleaming stars, okay, burning or चमकणारे असे. Burning त्याला म्हणता येणार, burning actually they burn, but you don't consider like this. Two bright stars, bright means gleaming stars, twinkling stars in short. You know that the poem Twinkle Twinkle Little Stars, like this. So bright stars means twinkling stars, gleaming stars. Two bright stars peeped into the shell. Peeped म्हणजे बघा, तुम्ही पेपर लिहिताय, तुम्हाला चांगलं येतं, तुमच्या मागच्या मित्राला येत नाही, मग तो काय करतो, हळूच तुमच्या पेपरमध्ये बघतो. सो दॅट कंडिशन इट इज कॉल्ड पिप्ड. तुम्ही पिप म्हणजे हळूच दुसऱ्याच्या सिक्रेटली यू सी अदर्स पेपर, ओके, विदाउट डिस्टर्बिंग और विदाउट मेकिंग विदाउट मेकिंग अलर्ट टू युअर फ्रेंड. तुम्ही लपून करत असता काही गोष्टी, त्याला म्हणायचं पिप. लपून पाहणे दुसऱ्याचं, त्याला म्हणायचं पिप. ओके, सो पिप्ड इन टू द शेल. हू? टू ब्राइट स्टार्स पिप्ड इन टू द शेल. हू वॉज स्लीपिंग इन द शेल? मिनी अँड विन्नी. ओके, and who peeped inside the shell? Two bright stars peeped into the shell for watching or for seeing what actually Minnie and Winnie are doing. What are they dreaming of? Who can tell? Now two bright stars, त्यांना राहवलं नाही, ते काय केलं त्यांनी, त्या शिंपल्यामध्ये जाऊन त्यांनी वाकून बघितलं हळूच, विदाउट नोईंग अदर्स, विदाउट डिस्टर्बिंग अदर्स. ओके, peeped into the shell. What are they dreaming of? Dreaming of means dream म्हणजे स्वप्न. Dreaming of means स्वप्न पाहतायत. Okay, see the dream which they like so much. Okay, see, to look or to see, dream about something that someone likes too much. जे आपल्याला आवडतं त्याच्याविषयी स्वप्नात बघणे म्हणजे ड्रीमिंग ऑफ. व्हॉट आर दे ड्रीमिंग ऑफ? व्हॉट आर दे ड्रीमिंग अबाउट? ते कोणाविषयी, कोणाचं स्वप्न बघताय? हु कॅन टेल? हु कॅन टेल दॅट? नोबडी कॅन टेल. माझ्या मनात काय चाललंय? नोबडी कॅन टेल. व्हॉट इज गोइंग ऑन इन माय माइंड? नथिंग. नो वन कॅन टेल मी. ओके, इवन दो आय कॅनॉट टेल, आय एम नॉट एबल टू टेल व्हॉट इज गोइंग ऑन in your mind now, right now, I cannot tell. So who can tell? What are they dreaming of? Who can tell? Now in the next stanza, the poet tells us, started a green linnet out of the croft. Now started a green linnet. Linnet, it is a bird. Linnet, how does it look like? I will describe you the description. Have you seen the sparrow? Okay, the structure like a sparrow means the bird, linnet bird, is looking like a sparrow, but color is green. Okay, green feathers. It has green feathers. So started a green linnet means, green linnet means a name of the bird out of the croft. The linnet bird has out of the croft. Out of the croft. Actually, croft has a different meaning. Croft means here, one can say that the den, it's a cave, but it is not here. Okay, the croft means here nearer place, nearer farm. Okay, nearer farm, तुमच्या जवळची शेती, त्याला आपण क्रॉफ्ट म्हणतो. मग ते घ्यायचं, क्रॉफ्ट, जवळची शेती, जवळची असलेली जमीन. ओके, so started, so green linnet, now the green linnet bird has come out of the croft, not craft, it's a croft, out of the croft. In that croft, maybe the nest is available in the croft. त्या कदाचित त्या लिनेट बर्डचा नेस्ट त्या जवळच्या जमिनीत असेल, शेतीमध्ये असेल. सो started a green linnet. Now the green linnet bird's life has been started. He has come out. It has come out from his nest. Wake little ladies, and the sun is aloft. Now the time has to wake up. Oh little ladies, now wake up, because the sun is aloft. Aloft means in the sky here. Okay, aloft means in the sky. I have given each and every meaning of the word. Okay, so wake little means very tender. Oh little ladies means oh Minnie and Winnie. Just what? The sun is aloft. Now it is the time to wake up. Now right now you have to wake up because the sun is aloft. Aloft means sun is in the sky. The moon has gone. Okay, now you wake up. Okay, so here echo and echo dies to the moon. You can consider again another meaning, that is the moon is going to be die, means moon is disappearing. But here what? Echo and echo slowly move, or again and again. Dies to the moon means you are far away from the sound, you are far away from locality. ओके, त्याचा अर्थ असा धरायचा नाही डायज टू द मून म्हणजे मून इज गोइंग टू बी व्हॅनिश्ड. ओके, मून इज डिसअपिअरिंग धरायचा नाही. ओके, हिअर व्हॉट द एक्सप्रेशन हॅज बीन युज्ड. इको इन इको अगेन अँड अगेन. दे आर मुव्हिंग फार अवे फ्रॉम फार अवे फ्रॉम द मून अँड दे आर ट्रॅव्हलिंग ऑन अँड ऑन. ओके, आता दिस इज द मीनिंग ऑफ द पोएम. Okay, first of all, Minnie and Winnie were sleeping in the shell. Okay, and here that they slept well in that shell. The shell's color has been also described. Inside pink color was there, and outer side silver color was there. And they were just, and here poet requests to that not to wake up now, because echo and echo means again and again you are moving. They were traveling, they were roaming. Okay, they were roaming in the sea, and they were going far away from the moon, means they were far away from moon. They have started from the moon and they are far away. They came far away from the moon. Now here what happens? Two bright stars peeped into the shell, and though they peeped into the shell, they were not able to guess what were they dreaming of, what Minnie and Winnie were dreaming of. And he says that the poet again asks question, who can tell? Nobody can tell. Okay, now here poet requests to Minnie and Winnie, now time to wake up, because the green linnet bird has come out of the croft, and now wake little ladies, and also the sun is also in the aloft. Sun is also in aloft means in the sky. The sun is in the sky. Now it is time to wake up. Okay, now let us see the rhythm. Okay, you might have got this rhythm, but this rhythm is very much easy to prepare, and you might have heard this. आता तुम्हाला मी याची चाल सांगतो. ओके, म्हणजे रिदम. Minnie and Winnie slept in a shell. Minnie and Winnie slept in a shell. Sleep little ladies and they slept well. Sleep little ladies and they slept well. सेम साऊंड तिकडे घ्यायचा आहे, सेम रिदम इकडे सुद्धा सेकंडला. Pink was the shell within, silver without. Pink was the shell within, silver without. Sound of the great sea wandered about. Sound of the great sea wandered about. Sleep little ladies, wake not soon. Sleep little ladies, wake not soon. Echo on echo dies to the moon. Echo on echo dies to the moon. Two bright stars peeped into the shell. Two bright stars peeped into the shell. What are they dreaming of? Who can tell? What are they dreaming of? Who can tell? आता हे टू ब्राईट स्टार पिप्ड असं घ्यायचं. टू ब्राईट स्टार पिप्ड इन टू द शेल. टू ब्राईट स्टार्स पिप्ड हे एकत्र घ्यायचं. टू ब्राईट स्टार्स पिप्ड इन टू द शेल. टू ब्राईट स्टार्स पिप्ड इन टू द शेल. What are they dreaming of? Who can tell? What are they dreaming of? Who can tell? While singing, you can also clap like this. I will tell you. I tell you now. Started a greely net out of the croft. Started a greely net out of the croft. Wake little lady, the sun is aloft. Wake little lady, the sun is aloft. So in this way, you can provide a rhythm, and by listening twice or thrice you are able to sing like this. Now let us see about the rhyming words. See, soon, moon. Soon rhyming word. Soon's rhyming word is moon. बघा, soon आहे, moon पण आहे. अशा पद्धतीने जे आहेत तसे बघा, shall, tell, क्रॉफ्ट, अलॉफ्ट असे जे वर्ड्स आहेत, म्हणजे आपण म्हणतो ना ला ला ला, जसे आपण पोएट्री बनवतो त्याला ला, इकडे ला, पाऊस आला, नंतर मी तो गेला, ला ला, असे जे वर्ड्स लागतात त्याला आपण रायमिंग वर्ड. ज्यांचे शेवटचे जे रायमिंग वर्ड्स कसे ओळखायचे, शेवटची अक्षरं ही सेम असली पाहिजेत. थोडक्यात शेवटची अक्षरं नाही, उच्चार सेम असले पाहिजेत. बघा, सुन, मून, ओके. शॅल, टेल, ई साऊंड वर्ड. इथे सून, मून, यू साऊंड वर्ड. सो साऊंड वर्ड असतील ना त्याला ते मॅच करतात. क्रॉफ्ट, क्रॉफ्ट म्हणजे ओ साऊंड वर्ड. अलॉफ्ट, ओ साऊंड वर्ड. क्रॉफ्ट, अलॉफ्ट, मून, सून, शॅल, टेल. So in this way you just find out another words which are given in this poem. Okay. Now new words, I will send you I will send you the new words, and again along with this I will also send you some activities through PDF. After completing this, you have, I think, English workbook. Now the time has come to solve it. Now you have enough time in your home. Okay, तुमच्याकडे बराच वेळ असतो आता. So you can spend whole day, means whole day not, at least half an hour every day for English. And मी आता तुम्हाला काय सांगतो ते ऐका. हे सगळं सोडवायचंय मी जे PDF देईन ते. त्यानंतर वर्कबुक मध्ये काय सोडवायचंय ते तुम्हाला सांगतो आता. 1.2 होमवर्क, 1.2 मधला जेवढा वर्कबुक मध्ये सगळा दिलेला आहे तो पूर्ण करायचा आहे. त्याची प्रॅक्टिस आपली झालेली आहे. ओके. एवढा कसा, तर आता तुम्ही तो 2 दिवसात करून तुम्ही तो ठेवायचा तुमच्याकडे. मला पाठवू नका तो तुमच्याकडे असलेला पाहिजे. आणि खाली पूर्ण झाल्यानंतर पालकांची सही आणि कधी पूर्ण केला ती डेट लिहायची. मग त्या डेट आजची किंवा उद्याची, जास्तीत जास्त 2 दिवसातच ते सोडवायचंय. ओके, 2 दिवसात सोडवायचंय. मी नंतर तुम्हाला सांगेन अजून 2 दिवसानंतर काय, तो मेसेज मी देईन डेली वर्कमध्ये. ओके, एवढं लक्षात ठेवा. वर्कबुक मधलं 1.2 सर्व सोडवायचंय. आणि मी दिलेलं आहे तर मिनी त्याचे न्यू वर्ड्स आणि त्याच्या खालचा एक्सरसाइज हा PDF थ्रू देतोय, तो सोडवायचा आहे. ओके, धन्यवाद.